Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discussing with you Lovable versus Bolt versus Cursor. Which one is better? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So when you contrast both following platforms here, Lovable, Bolt, and even Cursor, you are looking at the heavyweights of the AI-powered development space. Now, while they are all seen to promise the same thing, building software with natural language, they are actually designed to for completely different types of builders here, depending on your technical expertise and how much control you want over the raw code here. Now, let's start with Lovable. Now, this platform is the absolute gold standard if you want to go from a single sentence to a fully functional production ready full stack application without managing a local setup. Now, it is heavily optimized for what creators call vibe coding. Now, you simply talk to the AI in plain English and it constructs beautiful front end user interface using modern React frameworks. Now, what really sets Lovable apart is its deep out of the box infrastructure integration. Now, as highlighted in their official documentation, even their website here, Lovable doesn't just build UI, it setups user authentication, constructs live PostgreSQL databases through Supabase, handles secure data persistence, and provide a built-in AI connector to add chat elements directly into your app. It even lets you edit visually using a visual edit canvas, so where you can literally click an element to rearrange or style it without prompting. Now, in this case, what about the other platforms here? Now let's move on to both. Now both here, specifically both.new, powered by StackBlitz. So the focus shifts entirely to browser native speed and rapid application prototyping. Now both runs entirely inside a browser tab using an incredibly fast WebAssembly based micro operating system called what we call web containers. Now, according to its product feature notes here, though, because everything runs in your local browser memory rather than a distant cloud server, it boots up complex development environments in milliseconds with zero network latency. Now, Bolt is incredibly efficient for spinning up rapid MVPs, landing pages, and interactive dashboards using a simple natural language chat. Now, it automatically handles basic database space and provides instant one click hosting on a free subdomain so you can share your prototype with users in seconds. Now, what about Cursor here? Now, if you move to Cursor, now you are entering space engineered natively for developers who demand absolute precision and complete code control. Now, unlike what we discussed before, Lovable and Bolt here, which live in the browser, Cursor is an advanced local IDE built directly on top of VS Code. Now, instead of treating the AI like an independent builder that hides the code, Cursor acts like a supercharged co-pilot. Now, its standout features is its absolute multi-file code base indexing. It reads maps and deeply understands your entire local project folder. Now, no matter how massive or complex it is, using its composer tool and the highly advanced forward slash loop skill, you can instruct Cursor to background process deep structural changes, clean up type errors, or automatically refactor legacy frameworks across multiple repositories at once using the local unit tests successfully pass. Now, ultimately, here, the choice of which is the best comes down to who is doing the building here. Now, Lovable is the undisputed winner if you want a complete full stack application with database and auth ready to ship via the conversational AI. Now, Both here is the champion if you are a product manager or founder who needs a lightning fast browser native prototype in seconds. Now, Cursor is the ultimate tool if you are an established developer who wants maximum control, privacy, and local precision over a massive real world code base. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you if you want to try any of them. Now, you may want to try every and see which one works for you, but that's about it. Now, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.